What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to change your double click speed in Windows 11. So what this means, the double click speed is how much time you're allowed for your double click to actually do something. So if you have it set to fast, you have to double click really fast for it to actually register as a double click. But if you have it slow, it gives you more time in between your clicks for it to register as a double click. So I hope that made sense. But if not, let me just show you what I mean. So if I have it set to slow right here, and I'm trying to open this folder, I can do click, click, and it'll open. But if I have it set to fast, and I do apply, and then I do click, click, it does nothing. Click, click, nothing. Click, click, then it opens. So that's how you change it, and I'll show you how to get to the screen. So I'm going to put it back to what it used to be, which is at the middle here. And then I'm going to close this. And yeah, you're going to want to go to the settings screen. So go to the bottom left hand corner on start and then click on settings. And then you're going to want to go to Bluetooth and devices and then go to mouse. And then click on mouse pointer. Actually, sorry, that's the wrong setting. Go back to Bluetooth, go back to mouse. And then you're going to want to click on additional mouse settings, and that's the screen that we were just on. So all you have to do is just drag it, and then you click apply, and you can test it out. You don't even have to close this. You just drag it and test it out, and then you set it to whatever you want to. So yeah, that's how you change the speed of your double click or the double click time in Windows 11. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.